walang karapatan ang House to conduct a mini trial because even if it is called mini, na sasabihin nila magsasabtina sila, magtatanong sila, at hindi maka-cross-examine yung respondent, at gusto nila baka makahanap sila ng bagong mga ebidensya. The Constitution provides that the Senate has the sole power to try and decide the case. So, nakalagay, to try and decide the case. So, even if you call it a mini trial or iiba mong pangalan, pero actually, gumagawa ka na ng trial, you are now violating the Philippine Constitution. Yung requirement of due process was already complied when pinasagot mo si VP Sara, at depende na yan kay VP Sara kung sasagutin niya o hindi. Now, it is our position sa kami na petitioner na nag-challenge sa ginagawa ng House na you cannot go outside or beyond the complaints filed by the private individuals. Now, kung gusto nyo na mag-file o mag-imbestiga ng panibagong complaint, mag-antay kayo ng isa pang taon ulit. Kasi nauna na i-file yung complaint at nag-declare na kayo nga may compliance sa substance and form.